Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Then select Keyboard and Input Method. Tap on Manage Keyboards and Gbird. Following that, select Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing features are over here. To manage them, tap on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!